Good morning, dear students. I am Nagashree, Dr. Nagashree from Electrical Department. I am offering a course of Institutional Elective Operations Research from our department. It is a 12EE 8IE2OR. Operation Research, to give an introduction about the course, it is basically a course which is a decision-making type. For example, if there is any complex problem, then how to formulate that complex problem, what is the solution, best possible solution that you can find out for that complex problem, and what is the decision making or the outcome from that problem. So you will be learning about the main part, agenda of operations research that you will be learning is about the decision making criteria in any field. Basically, operations research takes into account mathematical tools and techniques, the analysis, and some of the algorithms which is useful for solving the complex problem. Apart from this, it also takes into account the scientific and logical method of solving the problem. The main characteristic feature of an operations research subject, operations research, is it takes into account the type of problem that any person can face in a public system. What are the managerial skills that you can have to face that problem or to solve that problem, and what is the best solution that you can get from that. So there is no hard and fast rule that the solution given by any one person is the best solution. Therefore, it leads to, this particular subject leads to an interdisciplinary type of work where experts from all the fields get together for an effective teamwork to give the best possible solution. So basic features of operations research is the efficient teamwork and a systematic approach to a given problem. As far as the application of operations research is concerned, in today's world, it is applied everywhere, whichever field you take. For example, from national planning to budgeting or national budget, defense area, marketing, organizational behavior and human resource, R&D development, production, that is improved quality of production in industries, or it is also used in private sectors. It is used in whatever field of engineering, whatever field, irrespective of the engineering field, in all the fields of engineering as well as MBA and marketing. So when each and every part, it has now become a part and parcel of usage of operations research, because when any problem is taken first it is predetermined, or it is analyzed that the problem can go on in this particular way of solution, and there are tools and techniques in wherein the problems are first solved as a predetermined using some algorithm. Depending on how the problem can be solved, or if the problem can go on for a solution, or it has to be terminated, whatever planning has been done has to be terminated, all these can be predetermined even before the actual implementation. So with this, the advantage of this operations research is it is cost effective, and it is more focused on what part of the work has to be executed. Now coming to the syllabus, it has got basically 5 units. This subject has got 5 units. I'll start with the linear programming problems, wherein the problems are the problems of man and machine type of problems are solved. Basically, first unit and a part of second unit covers these problems. And in the second unit, there are another topic is replacement models. These replacement models tells or decides upon when a particular machine has to be replaced rather than putting money for maintaining it. So this is the second unit. The third unit deals with the transportation problems, wherein it caters to the different transportation of man and machine to different localities, starting from the origin to the destination parts. So these are all problem-based techniques only, and some of the parts are there where concepts you have to understand and apply for the problems. And the fourth unit is about the game theory, and in game theory it is literally solving the different types of games that any person, any two-person play. For example, a chess is a game wherein you can have a strategic method to follow that a person can win the game or lose a game when playing that particular game. And the last unit is the critical path method, that is CPM, and PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique, Basically, this is very, very helpful for students because it all depends on how you plan, for example, your HM project, how you plan from day one, and how you can tell that you can finish a project well within your curriculum days. So this will be very helpful to you that when you plan a particular project and you schedule it depending on your teamwork, how you can solve that or how you can come to finish a project within the stipulated date. So all these units put together, it is useful for all the fields of engineering irrespective of any discipline. So I hope this introduction will give an insight to you about the operations research subject. Thank you.